Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your profile photo in Telegram on your iPhone, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone. Tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. At the top of the screen, tap on your profile name or photo. Now tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your profile editing options. Tap on Edit Photo or Set New Photo. You can choose to set a new photo or set emoji. Let's choose a new photo from the gallery. Now adjust the photo by zooming or cropping it to fit. Once you're satisfied, tap Done to save the changes. Go back to your profile to make sure the new photo is visible. Your profile photo is now updated. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.